What will the future world be like? Will it still be possible to buy anything we like with a single click? Or will a single click trigger a global economic crisis? A world where technology works for us or controls us? Could it be a truly connected universe where we'll be able to express the full power of imagination, or one where those connections make our critical infrastructure vulnerable to attack? Will we live in a world where everything is recorded? Where cybercrime plunges us into chaos? Or we'll find a better way? The future will be what you make of it. We'll be there protecting what matters most in your world.